Okay, while I'm waiting for a couple things here on this wiring to dry, I'm going to install these side case carriers. I'm just going to be using them for some saddlebags, but there'll be something to strap onto, so I'll go ahead and grab the rear rack and reinstall that, and then we'll put these on and we'll go over how I'm going to use that. These are SW-Motech, and I think they're the SLC side carriers for the bike. They look pretty well made. I think I spent 150 on them. This one's got some shit rattling in it, so I guess whatever on that. Hopefully that's not annoying. It's probably just a piece of weld that kind of broke off when they were assembling it, but some rattling. This one's fine. Now you don't have to remove this to put these on. I removed it because I thought I was going to need to take off this side panel to do some wiring work, but you don't have to remove this to put these on. They actually attach on the outside of this. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this. Right there. So it comes with its own bolts and some washers. Where's that other washer? And it will install, let's see, look at the instructions. One bolt is longer than the other. I believe that's for this front one. Let's see. So yeah, the long one goes in the front, shorter one in the back. Then you tighten it down with some Loctite to 23 Newton meters, which I think is 17 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and do that. So we got the longer one. And the instructions, it looks like the longer one goes in the front, but goes in the back. Just thread that in a little bit. Bring that around. Take this off, put some Loctite on there, .6mm Allen key. Just tighten that down a little bit. I'll go ahead and torque that up in just a moment. Back this one out. Put some Loctite on there. I'll put on the other side, and then I'll go ahead and torque these down. Put some Loctite on these. Somebody needs to take care of their dog. Again, the shorter one is up front. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's up front. Tighten. Get our torque wrench. set it to 17 foot-pounds. Right about there. Tighten. Okay, those are on. It's pretty easy. So these have some connections that come with them for I guess some quick release stuff that SW-Motech sells, some bags or cases or something. I actually am going to fit some nylon type stoppers just because I have some over the tail bags, and they'll strap to this and they'll keep them from sliding inward. But I don't want, this might be just a little rough, so I'll show those, you know, putting those on a little bit later. But I like the lines of this. I know GV has some that some side case holders, but they're a little big, and I think a company called Dirt Bags might have something, and it's for their bags, but you can buy the brace all by itself for maybe $140. But these look really nice. I feel like they look nice on the bike. So that's those.